Do you want to learn data science but feel like you lack the necessary technical skills? This course is made for you. Welcome to our comprehensive data science course, designed specifically for non-developers. This course offers more than just theory, it connects you with real-world projects. Let's dive into the fundamentals of data science. Understanding these basics will equip you for the challenges of tomorrow. Our course emphasizes hands-on training, allowing you to apply what you've learned. Experience the thrill of solving real-world problems with your newly acquired skills. Our course is not just about learning some techniques, it's about making an impact in the business. Hear from our successful alumni about their transformative journey. Don't miss this exceptional opportunity. Seats are limited. Empower yourself with the skills that will equip you for the challenges of tomorrow. Enroll today. To find out more, visit our website at www.corposense.com.